Good morning, everyone. We are starting to get set up and go live. All right, let's see. See if we are working. Oh, no video signal detected. All right, here we go. All right, good morning, everyone. And welcome. I am Dr. Suzi Schulman, and I am here to share secrets that have made me wildly successful. Not only, we're not talking financially, we're talking our brains, our bodies, our health, our wealth, our connection, all of it. And today I want to start off by not complaining, because people who know me know that I am not a negative person by any means. So this is definitely not a complaint. It's a little bit disheartening that I'm talking to a lot of people lately, both inside and outside the office, who are in what I call survival mode. Okay, survival mode. A lot of us are living in survival mode, and I'm here to tell you that that is not the way to go. There is so much more to life, and it's time to step out and start focusing again and getting our lives back together. We are not a victim. We are not put on this earth to suffer. We are put on this planet to enjoy and to explore and to appreciate and to learn and to love. And if we're not doing those things, then we're not tapping into our power. We're not taking care of ourselves. So the most important question I get is, where do I start? How do I even begin? And I was doing a report yesterday. This just came to my mind. And there's this little girl in the room, just about 5 years old, 4 or 5 years old, so smart. And she's sitting there listening to my report that I'm giving to her mother about how important that energy flow is. And the little girl's looking and she's going, focus. She actually used the word focus. She was explaining what she saw was going on in that meeting. And out of this child's mouth came the word focus. We're born with these things, we know. So what do we focus on when we're not sure, because we're in survival mode all the time and we want to be living our life's purpose, but we have no idea what it is? We stop and we focus on nothing. That's right. We've been talking about this a lot. We use our neck wedge. We take a few minutes off every day, sometimes multiple times a day. We lie back on our wedge, we regain that alignment, but more importantly, when we're doing that, we have to shut down our thoughts. I want you to think of your brain as a cell phone, and if you're not shutting it down, allowing it to reboot, taking out all of the negative energy at least once or twice a day, you can't focus because your brain is overwhelmed. And again, it's so easy because I want you to lie back and do nothing. That's how I'm telling you to improve your life. Lie back and do absolutely nothing for 5 minutes. And again, you're opening up the energy between the brain and the body. You're reconnecting. I can't even express how important that is. But in addition to doing that, you're allowing for your brain to just shut down, shut out everything positive, everything negative. If you need to listen to something, put on something inspirational, put on positive music. I'm thinking maybe I'll make a little guided meditation for people, because again, even when we try to shut everything out, it's a little challenging. But the more we can do this, the more we can do nothing, the more we can bring ourselves back to why we're here, what we're supposed to be doing. Are we enjoying our days, or are we struggling through it? And I am so disheartened by the number of people who are not only just surviving, barely, but the fact that they're okay with it. That breaks my heart. It's not okay to merely survive. It's not. We're meant for a lot more, and it's so much better, not only for us, but for everybody around us, when we stop, we do nothing, so that we can tap into our own power and recognize what our passion is again. If we don't do nothing and create that space for these ideas to come to us, they're not coming. So today, I want you to take a break. It's rainy here, not on my screen, it's beautiful, but it's rainy in the neighborhood. And I want everybody to take advantage of that. And even if you're at work, just lean your head back, Sit in your chair, take a few deep breaths. And if you can, really use your chair. I know we're not supposed to have chairs out in the wilderness, but stand back and just give yourself a nice stretch. Take some deep breaths. And again, shut it down and do nothing. That's the only way that you're going to recharge and find your purpose. Nothing is powerful, people. I want you to do it. And I will see you again tomorrow morning at 8:30. I want you to start sharing these. I'm trying to get a little more creative with the back and forth. So please, I'm getting so many beautiful comments, not only during the day, but on my pages and for my patients and for my friends and for my family. I love the support. I love all of you, and I look forward to seeing everyone again tomorrow. Have a great one.